In this video, we're going to be showing how to replace the thermostat with the combo thermostat humidistat from Masterflow. First thing we're going to go to the breaker box, make sure all the power's turned off to the unit, and then we'll remove the cover. Now we'll get the wires out, get everything out where you can see what wires you have. Now, this unit comes pre-wired from the factory with a blue wire nut on it. Make sure you get that put to the side. Also, what we're going to do, we'll disconnect the power, get these pulled off to the side. Don't let any of these wires cross. We'll get the black wire moved off to the side. And what we want to do is get a voltage meter and make sure that the power truly is off to this unit. Power's off. I'm ready to proceed. Disconnect the pre-wired blue wire nut from the factory. Pull that aside. We'll put that back on just so we know which wire it is later. And we'll disconnect the upper conduit from the box. Pull that out and set it to the side. It's worth noting that this Romex adapter or Romex clamp does not come with this unit, so you'll make sure that you either save the one that's in the box or get a new one and replace it. We've got that loosened up. Now we'll disconnect the ground wire from the unit. And we'll pull that free. Now that we know our power is off, we can put these wires in a clump to pull them out through the hole in the bottom of the thermostat box. Make sure you save these parts. Now we're going to take our old box off. We'll take our new unit and mount it to the framing. Remove the casing. We'll take our wire, feed it back through. Now that that's secure, you can come in and put your ground wire in and tighten it down as well. Now your conduit, your flex conduit from the unit coming out of the roof, go ahead and insert it back into the unit box. Clicks into place. Now take your black wire with the white stripe coming out from the unit and attach it to any other black wire inside this unit using the factory blue wire nut. And then just give it a pull. Make sure it's good and snug inside that wire nut. Now we'll take our white wire with the yellow wire nut, the white wire from the Masterflow power vent to the white wire of the Romex. Now we'll take our black wire from the unit to our Romex wire and attach it with the yellow wire nut. Now we're going to tuck everything back into our box. Now this cover has two openings for the two adjustments. They have to go back into the same place. Make sure that it's set in there properly so you can adjust as needed. Snaps into place. Go turn the breaker on. Make sure that it works properly. You can check this video and others on Masterflow products at GAF.com.